How to turn on Hotspot on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. Here, turn off the Wi-Fi switch as shown. And then, go back and tap on Cellular. Over here, turn on the cellular data switch. You have now turned off the Wi-Fi and turned on your mobile data. Then, go back to the settings page again and tap on Personal Hotspot. Here, turn on the Allow Others to Join option. Alternatively, swipe down from the top right corner of screen to open the Control Center. Then, tap on the Network Controls box as shown. And then, tap on the Personal Hotspot button to turn it on. Following these steps, you can easily turn on Hotspot on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.